are you all? You're fine? I am also fine. Do you know what we are going to do today? What we are going to do today? We are going to learn some magic. Do you all like magic? I also like magic. So today we are becoming magicians and we all will do magic. Okay, now please make your magic spectacles and we are going to do magic today. Make like this. Very good. So, first of all, we will do some warm up and then we will start with our magic journey. Okay. Now please repeat after me. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Slowly, slowly, fast. Roll, roll, roll your hands. Roll, roll, roll your hands. Slowly, slowly, fast. Wave, wave, wave your hands. Wave, wave, wave your hands. Slowly, slowly, fast. Move, move, move your hands. Move, move, move your hands. Slowly, slowly, fast. Shake, shake, shake your hands. Shake, shake, shake your hands. Slowly, slowly, fast. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Slowly, slowly, fast. Now, ready all of you? We will do some magic. So, you all are ready to do magic with me? Say yes, ma'am. Okay? So, let's start. Okay, so we have 5 magical words. We have 5 magical words. Repeat after me. Thank you. Welcome. Please. Sorry. Excuse me. Repeat once again. Thank you. Welcome. Please. Sorry. Excuse me. Clappings. Now it's story time. You all like story? So I will tell you a story. One day there was a boy named Rahul. He was a very cute boy and a very cheerful boy. But he was not polite. So Rahul was playing in the garden and there he saw a big door, a big golden door. And on that door there was a giant lock. And he wanted to go inside that door. But he tried to unlock it and he was unable to do so. Then a wise owl came. And owl said, if you want to go inside that door, you have to say the magical password. He said, what is that magical password? And he scratched his head. The wise owl replied, the magical password are the 5 magical words. The magical passwords are the 5 magical words. So, he repeated after the owl, thank you, sorry, please, welcome, excuse me. And the golden giant door opened. He went inside that door. Walking. He stopped on his first stop. There, he met a little girl. She was crying. She said that I got separated from my mother. मैं अपनी मम्मा से अलग हो गई हूँ. I got separated from my mother. Can you please help me to find her? Rahul said, okay, I will help you. And he searched here and there. He talked to everyone about her mother. After some time, he found her mother and get her back to him. Then the little girl said, do you know what did she say? She said, thank you, because Rahul helped her. So when someone helps us, we have to say thank you to them. When someone helps us, we have to say thank you to them. Then he walked and walked. He stops at the second stop. Then he walked and walked. He stopped at the second stop. At the second stop, he was in a garden. He went to play with a friend. But while playing, he somehow kicked that boy by mistake. He somehow kicked that boy by mistake and he said, "Ow, I am having so much pain now." So, at this moment, what will Rahul say? Rahul has kicked that boy. So, he will say sorry to him. What he will say? He will say sorry to him. Sorry, my friend, I will not do this again. Sorry, my friend, I will not do this again. And then he started walking again. Walking and walking. He stopped at the third stop. At the third stop, he was walking on a market lane. There were two ladies and he wanted to get them back. He walked towards them and he said, "Excuse me, ma'am, can you give me a side?" What did he say? He said, "Excuse me, ma'am, can you give me a side?" So instead of pushing them, what did he say? He said, "Excuse me, ma'am, can you give me a side?" And he walked away. Then he sneezed. He sneezed. So if we sneeze, what do we say? We say, "Excuse me." We say, "Excuse me." So when we have to call someone or we have to sneeze, we have to say, "Excuse me." Okay? Very good. Then he walked and walked and he stopped at the fourth stop. At the fourth stop, he met a little boy. The little boy said, "Hey sir, can you please help me in solving this puzzle?" He said, "Okay, I will help you." And he helped him. So the boy said, "Thank you." As we know, when someone helps us, we have to say thank you. So the boy said, "Thank you." So now, what will be the reply of Rahul? What will be the reply of Rahul? Rahul replied, "Welcome, little boy." Rahul replied, "Welcome, little boy." So, when someone says us thank you, we have to say welcome. When someone says us thank you, we have to say welcome. And then he walked around, walking and walking. He stopped at the fifth stop. He stopped at the fifth stop. At the fifth stop, he saw that wise owl again. He saw that wise owl again. And now he wanted to go outside this door. He wanted to go outside this door. So he wanted to take help from that owl. He said to owl that, "Please owl, can you help me to go outside this door?" He said, "Please owl, can you help me to go outside this door?" So when we want help from others, we say please. What do we say? We say please. And this is how Rahul learned all the 5 magical words. And by saying these words, he will spread positivity in the world. He will spread positivity in the world. So what were the 5 magical words we learned? Sorry, please, thank you, welcome, excuse me. Repeat after me. Sorry, please, thank you, welcome, excuse me. So you all know the 5 magical words now, and you all are magicians. Now, your work is to spread positivity in our world, and you all will use these words in your life, okay? Promise me you will use these words in your life. Very, very, very good. So, can we have a recap now? Very good. So, first, when we want help from others, we have to say please. When we want help from others, we have to say please. When someone help us, we have to say them thank you. When someone help us, we have to say them thank you. And when we help someone and they say thank you, we have to reply them welcome. We have to reply them welcome. But when we hurt someone by mistake, we have to say sorry. When we hurt someone by mistake, we have to say sorry. And at last, when we want to call someone or when we sneeze, we have to say excuse me. We have to say excuse me. So, we have learnt all the 5 magical words and we all are now magicians. Clapping! Yay! So, this is for today. We all have learned a new thing today and we will apply this in our real life. We have promised each other. Okay, so the class is dismissed and you all can have your lunch now. Bye-bye.